Much love, fam, and welcome back. Today I'm going to be taking you along with me. We're not going anywhere, but we're doing my hair, so you can hang with me as I style my short hair. And this look is all about the bangs, so I'll show you how I got myself some bangs without cutting my locks. So definitely stay tuned. Like this video if you like this video, and subscribe if you haven't already. All right, let's do it. All right, fam, so this is how I'm looking right now. I actually went for my hike just like this. I have not changed it since I showered and everything, and I thought it was super cute. When I left, I was like, oh, these little nuts up front look kind of cute. But then I took a video while I was out. I may or may not show it right here, and it wasn't looking so cute. But I just had it up and out of my way and kept my things in up here so that they could still be, you know, curling up. And so this is where we're at right now. For the front part here, it's the same as the rag curls you've seen me do all over my head, except for these, I was conscious of trying to like roll them up this way, like front ways, and be a little bit, you know, more, not meticulous, but a little bit more careful about that. And I just sprayed them with this water. This is more of water, not rose water now, because I haven't put any of my rose essential oil in here, so it's more water than rose water. But I just sprayed them and then used my ties to tie them up last night. And I started doing it this way because I really wanted to wear some bangs, you guys. And these are a little from further back, but I'm just trying to show you an example. My front ones have gotten quite long. So these ones, they hang down into my eyes. So they're longer, but not long enough for me to do like lock petals, you know, like that. The lock petals, which I think are super cute. But when I do a lock petal, it winds up being, even these front ones right here, it winds up being kind of like that. And that's not the bang I was going for. And then doing like loops and twists and all that. They're longer than a bang, but not long enough to do those kinds of things, or to looking how I want them to. And I could use like some hairpins or something like that, but I don't want to. I just want it to be a natural bang. I don't want to use any type of, I guess, tools to leave in my head, you know. So I wound up doing these. So let's get these down and get my hairstyle going. So you guys, my rag curls, if you are interested, let me put those guys back, and you know exactly how I do them. It's super simple, but I'll leave the link up top for you, and you can check those out. But it is my absolutely favorite, I guess you can say, style. You can style them or not after you take them down, but it's my favorite way to wear my locks. I like a nice, you know, body or wave or curl to my locks than just straight. So I do that quite a bit. Let's see if this is going to work for my bangs I want, you guys. Oh, okay, it's going to work. Now it's not, I was trying to get that little, you know, little loop thing here like this, which I guess I could still work it into that. But this is good too. This is good. Let me see this guy here. Right there. Let's see how we're gonna do. This one, I'm gonna pull this one way down. I might wind up putting some of these back like this. Yeah, I think these might have to come back. And then just have my nice little bang here. Okay. Let me know down below what you guys think and how you do your bangs, locks or not. You know, I'm just remembered something as I'm doing this. I'm going to fool around with these more once I get the back part done. My good old scarf just came off. But when I started wearing bangs in like middle school, and I started like doing my own hair and stuff, and I would use that hot curler and I would burn my forehead 9 times out of 10, not that much, but often. But then I would spray them like, you know, to death with Aquanet or something like that. And oh my goodness, I'm just thinking back on it. My poor hair up here, I would just crisp it up every morning, heat with that yesterday's hairspray on there. And my poor hair. So those days are gone though, right? You have to learn, and I was in middle school, so I was learning. But okay, I think I'm gonna put these up. I might want, I'm just gonna spray a little bit to loosen everybody up back here so they're not so, it's easier for me to manipulate them. So like that. And then I'm either gonna go up with two like buns right here. 2 buns. Or 1 bun? 2 buns. I'm gonna go up with 2 buns. I even thought I might do something with this. I was gonna experiment, I forgot. Let me do a little experiment before we get for real here. See, this would be the business if I had curled everybody up. If I had curled everybody up, then I'd have a little curly puff right here, and that will be cute. That will be it. But that ain't gonna work for right now, so I'm going to go back to my little 2 puffs. Little ponytail. I use this for my little ponytail, which I kind of like. You guys know I like little ponytails and stuff. I kind of like that. So then, should I leave that guy out? That'll be kind of cute. I'm just gonna make my little balls here. And what I like about these spirals is they really have those little, the spirals are like little grabbers, so you can poke any hairs coming out down into those. And they stay without pulling your hair out, you know? So that's cute. And then I'll do this side over here. Same thing. And when I was doing my product video and I was showing these, and someone said down below, for people who get headaches from, you know, tight styles and using rubber band scrunchies and stuff, this is really good. And I agreed because I can get a headache from that kind of thing too. My head does not like tight styles. So there we go. I've got my bangs. Got my bang bangs. This guy's a little wonky here. Like that. There we go. That's it. Okay, I think we got it. My camera's all over the place. I had a little technical difficulties off camera, you guys. So let's see. All right, that's it. I got my 2 little buns or balls, whatever you want to call them, and my bangs. This style was all about showing off the bangs. I've really been wanting to wear bangs for a couple days, so I'm going to rock these for the next couple days with a few different styles and enjoy them. And that is it. Okay, so definitely let me know down below how you are doing and what you think of my bangs. I would love to know. I post every Sunday and Thursday, so I will see you again in another few days. All right, bye.